A beautiful cedar log home is a dream for many people. Well, one local Maine company has been building them longer than just about anyone else. And we're here to talk with Brian Freeman from Maine Cedar Log Homes. Brian, how you doing?
Doing great.
It's great to see you. Now, tell us how long. You guys have been at this game for quite a long time.
Been building these since 1926.
All right, so you guys are definitely experts. You know what you're doing.
We've learned along the way, and we do a lot of things right.
All right. Well, tell us how this cedar home, because I've seen a lot of these homes, I've seen the way they're built, but this is structurally different than a typical Lincoln log cedar log home.
It is. One of the things we do differently is we actually panelize the exterior walls. So we have a conventional wall on the inside of the logs. So you have the ability to insulate, run your electrical and plumbing,
right,
just like you do in a conventional home, but you have the log look on the outside.
All right, so the look on the outside then is really like a really thick siding.
You could look at it that way, yes.
Okay, so by the time this is done and you've panelized, and in here the nice thing is you have the option of either sheetrock or you can have the natural wood. By the time these walls are done, what kind of R value are we talking about?
Over an R26, with just a standard fiberglass insulation, certainly there's other insulations you could use that would be more efficient.
Right. Now, looking at this home, this is clearly not a cookie cutter home.
Right.
This is something I would imagine then that people can customize these homes pretty much any way they want? Absolutely.
We have about 20 different models that are standard that people can start from. Certainly they can build one of those just as it is, or they can customize a design, or if they have a model already in mind or have a plan that they've already started to work with, we can certainly work with them on that design to customize it for them. We use Anderson windows and patio doors. We use Therma-Tru entry doors. We try to make sure that everything that goes into the system is top quality.
Okay. Now you are very much of a Maine company, and we saw your manufacturing plant, which is right here in the state.
Sure.
From the time that someone were to walk into you and say, I want one of these, they've picked out, they've customized it the way they want, how long does it take for you to take the panels and build them and get them ready to go?
Typical turnaround time for us to have the panels ready from the time that they sign a sales agreement and give a deposit is 6 to 8 weeks.
All right, 6 to 8 weeks. And then to put this whole thing together, I know they go up much quicker than a standard home, is that right?
They do, because part of that process, we're actually manufacturing those panels while they're getting site work ready and getting in the foundation. So part of that's already happening. So we'll ship that to the site, and then usually house is complete in 90 to 120 days.
Really? So these things can come together pretty fast?
Yes, they can.
All right. Now you also do some gazebos, I understand. I just want to touch on that because that's another really unique item you have.
Yes, we do. It's another product line that we have. We panelize those as well, and they are all cedar. It's white cedar gazebos.
Okay. Now for cost savings, is there a cost savings because of the way you're building these things? Can people see a significant savings? Or?
Where they're going to see their savings is likely energy efficiency.
Okay. And
in the speed of building. We are very comparable to a standard or a custom stick-built home.
Okay. And so for folks out there who see these places, I know some of the pictures that we have to show, they're just absolutely gorgeous. What's the easiest way for them to get in touch with you and get this going?
They can either call our 800 number or they can go online, mainecedarloghomes.com.
All right. Well, thank you so much for talking with us for a bit.
Thank you.
If you're ready to have your Maine Cedar Log home of your very own, whether it's a second home or whether just a beautiful first home, remember Maine Cedar Log Homes. This is a locally owned company. They're one of the best in the business. Check them on the web at mainecedarloghomes.com.